This is the bridge exercise, which is a really good exercise for low back pain. We're going to start it at a really low level for people who haven't done it before, who may not be fit or who currently are experiencing back pain, and then just build it up nice and slowly after that. So if you can just bend your knees for me so you've got your feet shoulder width apart, and what I want you to do is contract your stomach muscles and then roll your back up. So you're lifting your bum off the floor, rolling your back up from your low back to your shoulders, and you've got a nice straight line along there. Then I want you to recontract your stomach muscles, contract your buttock muscles and the fronts of your thighs, and I want you to hold them rigid for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then I want you to roll back down from your shoulders to your low back and relax. And that's the bridge exercise. What we usually advise people to do is to add 2 to 3 seconds a week. So you do the exercise daily, you do it 3 times in a row, and you do it for 5 seconds for the first week, then 8 seconds for the second week, then 10 seconds, and you keep adding 2 to 3 seconds every week until you can do 30 seconds or more. It's probably not beneficial to go above a minute. So this is the plank exercise, which is a really good exercise for low back pain. It's a little bit more advanced, so we generally don't advise people to do it if they have active back pain, but it is really good at helping prevent back pain coming back. So James, if you can just bring your elbows underneath you so you're nice, that's it. So you've got a nice straight line through the arm there and a nice 90-degree bend at the elbow and your palms flat on the floor, and then bend your ankles so you're on your toes, and then what I want you to do is lift your bum and your knees in the air till you've got a nice straight line between your heels and your shoulders, and then contract your stomach muscles. Make sure your head is in a neutral position so you're looking at the floor, and then I want you to hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax and come all the way down. So you're just resting on your arms, and that's the plank exercise. We would normally expect you to do it for 5 seconds to start, then add 2 to 3 seconds a week. So you do it 3 times in a row every day for 5 seconds. Then the following week you do it 3 times every day for 8 seconds, and the week after that 3 times every day for 10 seconds. And you continue that until you can do 30 seconds 3 times in a row. So this exercise we call Superman. It's a very good exercise for low back pain again. It's good at helping your core stability, so stabilizing your low back. So what need you to do first is to find spinal neutral. So just drop your back down for me and then raise it back up. And there's a point between those 2 points where you will feel quite comfortable, and it's probably somewhere about the middle, and that's spinal neutral. So what I want you to do now is contract your stomach muscles, so you're just engaging your core. Put your right arm out in front of you and then your left leg back behind you. And what you need to be careful of here is that you're not tilting your pelvis one way or the other, so it's again remaining quite neutral, and hold that position, re-engage the core, so contract your stomach muscles and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. So then you're going to do it on the opposite side. So you're going to put your left arm out in front of you and then your right leg back. And again, watch your pelvis. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. And that's the Superman exercise. So this is Happy Cat, Angry Cat. It's a really good exercise for mobilizing your low back. So what I want you to do is, if you can drop your head down towards your chin and tuck your pelvis in so you're raising your back into the air, so you're like an angry cat, and hold that position for about 5 to 10 seconds usually, and then do the opposite. So you're going to lift your head up, you're going to try and look up at the ceiling at the same time dropping your back down and keeping your arms straight and your shoulders fixed, and again hold for 5 to 10 seconds. And then repeat that 3 times. And that's Happy Cat, Angry Cat. So this is another mobility exercise, and we call it knee rocks. So James, if you can just bend your knees up for me, so your feet are together this time. And then for stability, I want you to put your arms out. If you don't have enough room, you can put your arms on your chest like that as well. But it's better with your arms out. And all I want you to do is bring both your knees over to the side as far as you can go, as far as is comfortable. Again, it's about mobility, it's not about necessarily about stretching or stability. And then bring them back over the other side as far as you can go, as far as is comfortable, and then keep repeating that. And you can hold it at the end for 2 to 3 seconds and then go back over to the other side. And we recommend generally that you do about 20 of these, so 10 each side. So you're counting 1, then back over, 2, and then back over, 3. And then you'd have a rest and you do it 2 more times, so 3 times in total. And that's knee rocks.